Are you ready to be inspired by the simplicity and ingenuity of small house living? In this special 25th episode of House Tours, we are taking you inside other more than 30 small family homes that's big on style and functionality. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We post new videos every week covering different styles, trends, and themes for your home. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you and know what you think. So please don't forget to subscribe for more house tours and interior design ideas. Like if you are inspired to revamp your space, comment with your favorite design element from the tour. Ring the bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Hi everyone, Lulu here. Welcome back to our House Tours series where we celebrate the charm and efficiency of small-scale living. Today we are excited to present the 25th episode, Cozy Living in a Small House. So watch this video and join us as we explore the art of cozy living in a small space. The ground level of this small contemporary family home features a modern open concept design that maximizes natural light. The living area is furnished with a comfortable green sofa complemented by a compact workspace, creating a functional yet stylish environment suitable for relaxation and productivity. The interior showcases a blend of modern furniture and decor, emphasizing a clean and inviting atmosphere. The ground level of this small contemporary family home is designed with a modern aesthetic, featuring an open plan layout that seamlessly integrates the living area with the kitchen. The space is well lit, likely due to large windows or glass doors, and is furnished with stylish yet functional pieces that cater to the needs of a young, active family. The decor is minimalistic, emphasizing clean lines and a neutral color palette, which enhances the sense of spaciousness in the home. Overall, it's a practical and inviting space that combines contemporary design with the comfort of family living. Let's step now into another small family home with a country design style look. The image depicts a compact open space within a small contemporary family home, showcasing a seamless integration of a stylish kitchen and a cozy living area. The design optimizes functionality and aesthetics, creating an inviting atmosphere that is both modern and practical for family living. The space is well organized and tastefully decorated, suggesting a thoughtful approach to interior design that values both form and utility. The compact open space depicted in the image is a modern and efficient area within a small contemporary family home. It features a blend of stylish furniture and decor with natural lighting enhancing the sense of spaciousness and comfort. The design emphasizes a seamless flow between living functions, catering to the needs of an active urban family. Clever furniture placement makes the space comfortable and functional. The ground level of this small contemporary family home is designed with a modern aesthetic featuring an open plan layout that seamlessly integrates the living area with the kitchen. The space is well lit, likely due to large windows or glass doors, and is furnished with stylish yet functional pieces that cater to the needs of a young, active family. The decor is minimalistic, emphasizing clean lines and a neutral color palette, which enhances the sense of spaciousness in the home. Overall, it's a practical and inviting space that combines contemporary design with the comforts of a family living. As we close the curtains on this delightful 25th episode of House Tours, we hope you've been inspired by the myriad of small family house design ideas we've shared, from clever storage hacks to tiny nooks turned into cozy retreats. We've journeyed through almost 30 unique homes that redefine what it means to live large in a small space. Remember, it's not the square footage that counts, but the love and the creativity you pour into every corner. Whether you are a minimalist at heart or just looking to declutter and simplify, there is something magical about cozy living that brings us all a little closer. Thank you for joining us on this adventure through compact living and innovative design. If you've been inspired to transform your own space, or if you simply enjoyed the tour, give us a thumbs up and share this video with friends and family who might need a little nudge to embrace the beauty of a small home. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest episodes. We can't wait to bring you more inspiring tours that prove great things really do come in small packages. Until next time, keep dreaming big and living small. See you in the next House Tours episode where we'll continue to explore the art of making the most out of every square inch. Farewell and happy cozy living!